I have already made 10 videos today, about 10 minutes long. That's at least 1.5 hours, maybe longer, I don't know. Yeah, that's about 1 hour and 40 minutes of content. Wow, that feels good. I've actually got it down to a point where I can drive Uber, take breaks, and not worry about it as long as you have a goal. Look, we're at $100. Now it's 4 o'clock. It's time to pick it up because I want to be at 150 before I finish. I'm supposed to hang out with a buddy for dinner around 9. This gives me 4 hours to drive, roughly, right? And I need to end up back in downtown LA, right? Downtown LA is right here where it says Los Angeles in the middle and where my big old face is, right here. That's where I need to end up. Where am I? I am up here. This is where I'm at. This is where I need to be. So let's figure out what we should do. 4 o'clock, I always like to check all the airports, right? Ooh, 91 is not even worth looking at that. That's too much. 215 is not bad. We'll use that as a guide. Let's see how long it's going to take us to get there. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, look, guys, right here is showing you there's a possible money, West Hollywood, right? There's people need rides. So that's one thing to pay attention to. Number two, look at all this traffic. This is beautiful. Traffic means no drivers are able to move. No drivers are able to move. We're going to go in there and cherry pick, right? How long is it going to take? 43 minutes to get to LAX, 17 miles away, no problem. So this is what I'm thinking, right? And you guys can correct me because, you know, I like to talk. I like to ask you guys, what would you do, right? This is how we work and we help each other and we help other drivers. Ooh, that's not bad. That's not bad. We'll take it. You know why we'll take it? Because it's a Wednesday. And I've been sitting for an hour and a half. What is this bullshit? Did you see how fast I clicked on it? You guys saw how fast I clicked on it, right? How is it that somebody beat me to that? That doesn't make any sense. I think what Uber did right there is basically figure out, is this Pakistani gonna go and take somebody for $11? Yes? Okay, let's not give it to him. Let's give him a $9 one. Let's go backwards. No, Uber. Okay, let's go back on track. All right, check it out, guys. This means traffic. This is a surge, possibly. LAX is the destination. So I'm thinking all of this is going to be good for me right here. All of this is good right now, okay? We're going to see. We're going to see what happens. I'm going to try to go that way. And hopefully by the time I get somewhere here, I can get a $10 or $15 ride. If not, we're going to end up at LAX and take another break. That's how we roll. What did I tell you guys? It's going to test me with $11. And when I take $11, they just cut it in half. It's like, okay, well, this guy will take $6. No, I just put the Uber algorithm in timeout for an hour and a half for giving me a cancellation and zero money. So no, Uber, we're not doing $6. I barely was doing $12 because it's a Wednesday and it was gonna take 17 minutes. So in my mind, 20 minutes, $12, that's not bad. Ooh, oh yeah, we'll take it, we'll take it. Oh, but I'm making a right turn. You want me to go left? Shit. All right. We'll do it. Mr. Danny, we'll do it. Look how close this person was sitting next to me, right? Again, if you're watching my videos, I want you guys to understand something. Oh, beautiful rainbow. Oh my God, I want to take a video of that rainbow. All right, I'm gonna stop this video and upload it because I'm gonna pick up Danny hella fast.